Hi! If you are a subscriber to my previous channel, which is Lenny Talks About K-pop, you would probably recognize me and also my voice since I use this voice on my videos. I think last May, since I started creating videos about news for K-pop. And if not, hi, I'm Lenny. I'm a 7-year-old K-pop fan, and let's talk about K-pop. So now, I'm going to formally say the fandom that I belong to, which is, you can see that, the poster. Yes, I am a Stay, and my bias or my ult is Jungin. But I'm an OT8 Stay. The only fandom that I belong to is Stay, none other than Stay. But I like girl groups and I listen to other groups. But for boy group, I only listen to Stray Kids full album. Yeah. Okay, for girl group, I like Kiss of Life, Eunice, ITZY, Twice, Meili Nayon, Baby Monster, and aespa. For Baby Monster, I'm a pre-debut Monsters, and for aespa, it's the same with Baby Monster. I know them since their pre-debut days. What this channel will be all about? So this channel will be all about my life, and I will also be putting contents like podcasts as usual. But this time, I wanted it to center on the positive sides of K-pop. And of course, this would center just me being a fan. Ako And I also wanted this channel to be more personal so that you guys can relate to me. And also, I wanted to share my knowledge in K-pop here. What content I will put out in this channel? Now, I will be putting out podcasts, just like what I've said, interviews. I wanted to try interviewing people that has a knowledge, wide knowledge about K-pop. I also love unboxing albums, and also I wanted to try vlogging here. Just like it's a simple vlog of me. And also reaction videos since I wanted to react to different videos, different K-pop music videos here. The main reason of me rebranding and creating a brand new channel is that I wanted to record and I wanted to share how I achieve things. Since this is a personal channel of mine, I wanted for you guys to see my adventure and my milestones in life. But I have one question. Do you want to join me achieve my dreams? So for an upload time slot, I will upload here at 4 p.m. But not exactly 4 p.m. I would probably upload anytime in 4 p.m. So that's it. This is just the introduction video for Lenny Talks. And if you have suggestions or comments, you can write that on the comment section. So see you on the first episode of Lenny Talks. Bye!